Let's talk about the probability of multiple events with and without replacement. So to begin, we have an example. A card is pulled from a deck of cards. So this would be a standard 52 card deck. And it's noted. So you write down what the card is. The card is then replaced. This is the critical word. The deck is shuffled and a second card is removed and noted. What is the probability that both cards are aces? So we have the probability of ace and ace. Because the card is replaced, that means we have a full deck when we go after the second card. That means that these events are independent, and we can simplify this probability by multiplying the simple probabilities of the probability of an ace times the probability of an ace. So that would be, there are 4 aces out of 52 cards times 4 aces out of 52 cards. And this reduces to 1 over 169. So this is the probability of getting 2 aces with replacement. Now instead, if we did the card is removed, now when we go to pick the second card, the deck is a different deck. So the probability of ace and ace without replacement, these are not independent events. So the first one, a full deck, there are 4 aces and there are 52 cards. But if we keep that ace out of the deck, when we go to the second time of picking the cards, there are now only 3 aces out of 51 cards. So this is the difference between with replacement being an independent event, just simply multiplying, and without replacement, these are not independent events. And then the sample space changes for the second event. So you have to think through the space after each event. Okay, this one simplifies to 1 over 221. So go ahead and pause the video while you work on the problems on the right. Okay, for this first one, you would have 6 over 21 times 3 over 21, which reduces to 2 over 49 with replacement. Without replacement, you'd have 6 over 21 times 3 over 20, which reduces to 3 over 70. All right, I hope this helps.